where we're passionate about empowering entrepreneurs in Africa. Today, we're delving deep into the world of soap processing factories and uncovering the keys to success. Get ready to learn about machinery, packaging strategies, and lucrative opportunities in the soap industry. Welcome back to Invest in Africa, our channel. Let's kick things off by exploring the essential machinery needed to set up your soap processing factory. Soap mixer. This powerhouse blends oils, lye, and additives to create the perfect soap base. Soap extruder. Watch as this machine transforms the mixed ingredients into solid soap bars of uniform size and shape. Soap cutter. Precision is paramount when it comes to cutting soap bars, and this machine ensures consistency in every slice. Packaging equipment. From wrapping machines to labeling systems, invest in tools that streamline the packaging process and enhance efficiency. Detailed shots of each machine in action, accompanied by explanations of their functions and importance. Packaging plays a pivotal role in attracting customers and setting your brand apart. Here are some innovative packaging strategies to consider. Sustainable materials. Embrace eco-friendly packaging options to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers and reduce your ecological footprint. Storytelling, packaging. Share the journey behind your soap products through engaging packaging that highlights your brand's story, values, and commitment to quality. Multi-purpose. Packaging. Explore packaging designs that offer versatility, such as reusable containers or packaging that can be repurposed for other uses. Now, let's talk about how you can maximize profitability and unlock the full potential of your soap processing factory. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify consumer preferences, emerging trends, and untapped niches within the soap industry. Diversification. Expand your product range to cater to diverse customer needs and preferences, from luxurious skincare bars to practical household soaps. Welcome to our channel, where we explore entrepreneurial opportunities in Africa. Today, we're diving into the world of soap manufacturing and uncovering the secrets to success. Join us as we discuss machinery, packaging innovations, and strategies for maximizing profitability in the soap industry. Let's start by examining the key machinery required for soap manufacturing. Soap mixer. This machine blends oils, water, and lye to create a soap base. Soap cutter. Precision is key in cutting soap bars into uniform sizes, ensuring consistency and appeal. Packaging equipment. Invest in packaging machinery like wrapping machines and labeling systems to streamline the packaging process. Packaging is crucial for attracting customers and setting your brand apart. Consider these innovative packaging strategies. Eco-friendly packaging. Opt for sustainable materials like recycled paper or biodegradable plastics to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Creative branding. Design packaging that reflects your brand identity and tells a story, connecting with your target market on a deeper level. Practical features. Incorporate functional elements into your packaging, such as resealable pouches or travel-sized portions, to enhance convenience for customers. Now, let's discuss strategies for maximizing profitability in the soap manufacturing business. Cost optimization. Control costs by sourcing raw materials efficiently and optimizing production processes to increase efficiency. Market expansion. Identify new markets and distribution channels, both locally and internationally, to reach a broader audience and drive sales. Product diversification. Expand your product line to include a variety of soap types, scents, and formulations to cater to different consumer preferences. Let's delve deeper into the key strategies for success in the soap manufacturing business in Africa. Local sourcing of raw materials. Africa is rich in natural resources such as palm oil, shea butter, and various botanical extracts used in soap production. By sourcing raw materials locally, you can reduce costs, support local farmers and communities, and ensure the authenticity and quality of your products. Adaptation to local preferences. Understand the diverse cultural and regional preferences in Africa regarding soap types, scents, and packaging. Tailor your product offerings to cater to these preferences, ensuring that your products resonate with local consumers and stand out in the market. Community engagement and empowerment. Engage with local communities by creating opportunities for employment, skills training, and entrepreneurship. By empowering local talent and fostering a sense of ownership and pride, you can build strong relationships and loyalty within the community, which can translate into long-term business success. Distribution network expansion. Develop an extensive distribution network that reaches both urban centers and rural areas across Africa. Establish partnerships with wholesalers, retailers, and local market vendors to ensure widespread availability of your products. Additionally, consider leveraging digital platforms and e-commerce channels to tap into emerging markets and reach consumers beyond traditional brick-and-mortar stores. Quality assurance and compliance. Prioritize quality control measures throughout the production process to maintain consistent product quality and safety standards. Adhere to regulatory requirements and obtain the necessary certifications to instill trust and confidence in your brand among consumers, retailers, and regulatory authorities. Innovation and differentiation. Continuously innovate your product offerings by introducing new formulations, fragrances, and packaging designs that meet evolving consumer preferences and market trends. Set your brand apart from competitors by highlighting unique selling points such as organic ingredients, sustainability initiatives, or social impact initiatives. Brand building and marketing. Invest in brand building and marketing efforts to create awareness, generate demand, and build brand loyalty. Utilize a mix of traditional marketing channels such as print media, radio, and television, as well as digital marketing strategies including social media, influencer partnerships, and content marketing to reach and engage your target audience effectively. Customer feedback and adaptation. Listen to customer feedback and adapt your products and strategies accordingly. Solicit feedback through surveys, reviews, and direct interactions with customers to identify areas for improvement and innovation. By continuously refining your offerings based on customer insights, you can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty, driving long-term business growth. By implementing these strategies and staying agile and responsive to market dynamics, you can position your soap manufacturing business for success in Africa's thriving and dynamic marketplace. Distribution network expansion. Develop an extensive distribution network that reaches both urban centers and rural areas across Africa. Establish partnerships with wholesalers, retailers, and local market vendors to ensure widespread availability of your products. Let's further explore additional strategies for success in the soap manufacturing business in Africa. Supply chain optimization. Streamline your supply chain operations to ensure efficiency, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. Develop strong relationships with suppliers and logistics partners to secure timely delivery of raw materials and minimize disruptions. Implement inventory management systems to optimize stock levels and reduce wastage. The saponification method is the chemical process by which soap is made. It involves the reaction between fats or oils and an alkali, commonly sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, to produce soap and glycerin. Here's a breakdown of the saponification process. Selection of ingredients. The first step in making soap via the saponification method is to select the fats or oils and the alkali. Different fats and oils produce soaps with varying properties, such as hardness, lather, and moisturizing abilities. Common oils used in soap making include olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, and shea butter. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH, is used for making solid soap, bar soap, while potassium hydroxide, KOH, is used for making liquid soap. Measuring and mixing. The fats or oils are measured and mixed together in the desired proportions. Similarly, The alkali, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, is dissolved in water to create a lye solution. Both the fats, oils, and the lye solution are heated to a specific temperature, typically between 100 deg to 130 deg, 38 deg C to 54 deg C. Saponification. Reaction. Once the fats, oils, and the lye solution reach the desired temperature, they are combined. This mixture initiates the saponification reaction, which is an exothermic chemical reaction. During saponification, the triglycerides, fats, oils, react with the alkali, lye, to form soap molecules, fatty acid salts, and glycerin. This reaction typically takes about 1 to 2 hours to complete. As we conclude, remember that success in the soap manufacturing business requires a combination of quality machinery, innovative packaging, and strategic planning. By embracing these principles and seizing opportunities, you can build a thriving soap production business that contributes to economic growth and empowers communities across Africa. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more entrepreneurial insights. Contact me if you want to buy good soap-making machines. Together, let's create a brighter future for African businesses.